Today, we're diving into BMW Fault Code P1341, or what's officially called multiple cylinder misfire with fuel cutoff. This issue can impact performance, fuel efficiency, and your driving experience, so let's break down what it means and how you can fix it. When your BMW's engine control module detects a misfire across multiple cylinders, it may trigger code P1341. Misfires can happen when a cylinder doesn't burn the air-fuel mixture efficiently, causing issues like rough idling, lower performance, or even engine damage if not handled. The fuel cutoff is your engine's way of protecting itself by cutting fuel to avoid further damage. So, what should you be on the lookout for with this fault code? Common symptoms include rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, and an overall lack of power. You may also notice the check engine light turning on. It's a warning that there's something affecting the performance and health of your engine, so these symptoms shouldn't be ignored. Now, let's talk about what can actually cause this code. For starters, worn-out spark plugs or faulty ignition coils are the most common culprits. These are key components for generating the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture in each cylinder. Faulty fuel injectors, which supply the necessary fuel, can also contribute. And finally, vacuum leaks can interfere with the air-fuel mixture, leading to misfires as well. Each of these issues has a different solution, which we'll get into next. First, diagnosing this issue requires an OBD2 scanner. Plug it in, pull the code, and confirm it's P1341. From there, start by checking the spark plugs. If they're dirty or worn, it's time for a replacement. Next, inspect the ignition coils for signs of damage. Finally, if spark plugs and coils look fine, check the fuel injectors and ensure they're delivering fuel correctly. A mechanic's help might be beneficial if you're not familiar with these parts. To fix code P1341, start by replacing any faulty spark plugs or ignition coils, as these are common issues. If you found fuel injectors were causing trouble, they may just need a good cleaning, or in some cases, replacement. Vacuum leaks are often due to worn-out hoses or seals. Replacing those can resolve air intake issues that might be leading to misfires. Each step will help you rule out the causes and get your engine back on track. To avoid future misfire issues, regular maintenance is key. Change spark plugs according to your BMW service schedule, and have the fuel system inspected periodically. Keeping your engine in top shape can help you avoid fault codes like P1341 in the future. To wrap up, P1341 is a manageable code with the right tools and approach. By diagnosing potential issues with spark plugs, ignition coils, and fuel injectors, you can solve this problem and keep your BMW running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay on top of maintenance for a reliable drive.